Everyone, this is Chance TV. I'm here with Dr. Halaas and Rachel for an amazing event. All the most beautiful people in the world come up for it, and we're going to find out what it's all about.
Hi, this afternoon we're having a launch actually for Ultherapy here in our office, and very fortunately my patient supermodel Paulina Porizkova was nice enough to talk about her experience having Ultherapy here in our office with our wonderful Rachel, our master clinical esthetician. She's a huge fan of Ultherapy. She is really only doing Ultherapy, really very much interested in only doing the most natural things, keeping her look very natural, and has just been so thrilled with Ultherapy. It's a technology, and we really like to be here in the office on the forefront of technology. And Ultherapy is actually something that has been around for a long time, but really has to be done the right patient and really with the right person doing the treatment. And with here in this office with Paulina and with Rachel doing the treatment, and under the guidance of our medical staff here, we were able to really wed those things together to make sure that she was just getting the best treatment. And she's thrilled, and we're delighted to have her here today.
Yeah, we interviewed her, and she loves this stuff. What is Ultherapy? It's non-invasive. It's not a surgical treatment, right? What is it?
So without compromising the skin or breaking the skin, it's sending sound waves via ultrasound into specific depths that we create in the tissue. So we actually do a scan and see what depth we want to go to with our patient. If it's more of a muscular laxity concern or more of a superficial skin care, tightening, collagen stimulation concern, we're able to customize a treatment for our individual patient. And then we're able to kind of give them what they're looking for as far as skin tightening, fat cell reduction, or muscle laxity.
Wow, that's cutting edge. Your background is in plastic surgery, right? So you were saying about wedding the two types of beauty procedures.
Yeah, as a board-certified facial plastic surgeon, obviously surgery is going to give the most dramatic result, and I love to perform surgery. But being a scientist first, it's really, I feel, and Rachel can back me up on this, that it's our duty to really understand cutting-edge science and bring that safely and effectively to our patients. And so by being a clinical investigator and working with the cutting-edge technologies, working with the major players in the industry, and really understanding that technology and bringing it when it's efficacious and when it's safe to our patients, combining it with surgery or, as is the case with Ultherapy and many of the other technologies, without surgery, because a lot of patients don't want the downtime or maybe are fearful of either surgery or anesthesia, we can bring that to patients as standalone or to make surgery result even better. And that's what patients are really interested in. And it's our duty to kind of wed that science and the beauty together to really make the best treatments for our patients.
Oh, wow. With Ultherapy, what does a downtime or what can a patient expect?
The downtime is very minimal as far as visually or social downtime. Your social downtime can be up to 2 weeks if you have any amount of edema, which is a little bit of swelling on certain areas. However, they're just a little pink when they leave, and social downtime can be as little as 24 hours.
And now, what's the price point on this for people out there that are interested?
It depends on where you're at geographically in the United States. Here in the city, we charge per area, and you would come in and we would evaluate and say, hey, do you need a full facial area? Do you want to just do your low face? And so it really depends what area, but you're in the ballpark of around $3,500, which is standard across the board, demographically.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, a lot of places don't treat effectively or really don't understand the technology. And that's really been one of my hesitations, although really truly here, being an investigator with a lot of new technologies, Ultherapy has been around for a couple of years. And we actually kind of held back because so frequently people don't perform the technology well. And so if you're going to be bargain hunting, you really are not going to be necessarily happy with that Ultherapy treatment because sometimes they're going to be underperforming. And that's something you don't want to be getting done cheaply. And so that's really one of the reasons why we kind of waited until I wanted to make sure that Rachel actually was here on board because you really want to make sure your Ultherapy, who's going to be performing that treatment, really understands the technology, really understands that you are a good candidate, so that your physician really understands that you're a good candidate and that is not going to skimp on your treatment. So I can't underscore that importance enough, because you want to make sure that you're getting the best quality treatment. So don't always look for the cheapest cost.
Yeah, and don't bargain hunt with your face, right?
Yeah, that's a very good phrase.
Yeah.
Well, what I was going to say was we are happy to treat anybody and everyone gets the same treatment, but we specialize in patients that can't afford a lot of downtime because they're on camera, they are on film, and so they want to do things that they're able to get right back and not miss a beat from work or being in the spotlight. So we are accustomed to treating patients all around the board.
A lot of high celebrity type profile, right?
Yes, yeah, absolutely.
And those people need the fast downtime.
Correct, yes, with results. And working with a plastic surgeon, I have to be able to deliver aggressive, nice results.
You guys cover the full spectrum then. You've got everything with that one-stop shop,
Absolutely.
right?
Well, absolutely. We want to really treat everything from head to toe.
Okay. Okay, guys out there, everybody wants to know what's the website and also social media.
Our website is drhalaas.com. That's drhalaas.com.
And on Instagram, we're DRHALAAS at Dr. Halaas and also at Laser Ray.
Perfect. All set. And we're out.